Hey guys, welcome back. So I was reminded about the DWG 350Z a few weeks ago. Then I remembered how much I actually enjoyed that car. So that's what I'll be in this video. And I'm also returning to Nikko Circuit to give that a go. So with that, let's just jump in. All right, the 350Z. So, like I said, I remember driving this a while ago and having a lot of fun with it. So we'll take it out to Nikko Circuit and see how it goes. So I've been driving a lot more powerful cars lately, so having something with low power again is a bit of a challenge, but it's fun. I've done a few laps to practice here and definitely can't link the whole circuit in this car. But just trying to extend the drift too much then. But it was just fun to drive this car. Just throw it around, get the drop. Put me on the wrong angle though. Find second gear too short for there, but this car doesn't have the power for third to keep it going. Way offline. See if we can get this drop and hold it. Nope. I mean, trying to do backies into that section there. Can get it sometimes, but not all the time. So it's definitely a mixture of third and second in this car. From memory, it's around 300 horsepower, maybe a bit more. It's definitely just put flat a lot. Try not to slide off the track. Alright, let's try backy this time. Or a 360 into a stop. So I don't remember what my opinion of Nikko. Oh no. This is not how I intended it to go. Hold second. Handbrake, try and keep it in tight. And straighten up. And I am throwing this car way too much and just spinning a lot. The tires aren't cooked yet, so it's definitely just my driving. Alright, try and get that drop. Drop on the other side. It was a bit closer, but I couldn't link the backy to keep it going. So I don't remember what my opinion of Nikko was last time, but I'm enjoying it with this car. Definitely just can't link the whole track like a car with more power can. This is this part here. Oh, jump the other. Rip the strip, sorry. Too much angle, too much angle. Just limit of ash second. So obviously it's got the drop here, which never seemed to get right, that one. Tight little S's, which then opens up. See if we can bash third there and then keep this going. I guess I could do didn't quite make it. A little flick there to at least keep it going in third. Not even watching where I'm going anymore. It's definitely true that wherever you look is where the car tends to go. Alright, get that drop. Try and get it out. So hold second. Use the handbrake to get it back in tighter. So I can go third. Way too wide. Lots of clutch kicks in this car. Slid it way too far. And it's put me on the wrong angle for the intro. Sorry for the last couple of quarters. Alright, the tyres were starting to look yellow. We'll go a fresh set. Definitely remembered why I just enjoyed this car. I feel like it's like a misshift. No idea what tangent was going on. I think I was talking about the car. And just the DWG cars are nicely set up. Oh, maybe I have to. Nope, started to understeer. Thought I was actually going to be able to hold it that time. So I haven't got a proper backy. I can throw it in, but I can't recover it. And this car it's got a good amount of power. I think the Swarm ones are all around 500, so it makes leaking tracks a lot easier. Alright, off the edge. Alright, I want to get it back here and be able to link it. Have a couple more tries. Definitely recommend this car. Especially if you like low powered cars. And I guess as a grassroots, if you go on the grassroots route, this car would be probably similar to what people would have. Couldn't just keep that going. Alright. Line it up. I don't think that was quite a backy, but felt like some good angle. Definitely feels like you can miss shift in this car though. I actually only just realised the hand goes down to the shifter. Third. It'd be nice to be able to link that corner properly in this car, but I like the steering wheel. go for one reset. Let's try one more backy and that'll be it. Speeding through the pits, past the cameraman, warm up the tyres. Slide too far off the track. Alright. Kind of like this section. Nope. Definitely just feel when the car grips up and goes straight. Alright. Touch kick. Brakes and the back in. I don't know, that's probably might have been my best attempt. But yeah, that was back to the 350Z. I do have a tendency to kind of drive cars for these videos and then I move on to different ones and don't really return to some of them. But yeah, like I said, this one for some reason popped up a few weeks ago and just reminded me of it, so I wanted to jump back in and see if I still felt the same about it, which I definitely do. It's definitely fun. And I haven't driven the DWG cars for a while, so it's good to just jump back in them and see how they feel, which maybe I need to revisit some of the previous ones. Most of them were Sylvia's, or I should say S chassis, so but they were all still good anyway. But with that, thanks for watching, guys.